We seen this trend on TikTok where people go out and buy books of tickets and scratch them and usually make back what they spent or a bit more. So we decided to try this just once. It's probably a stupid idea, but we went out and we bought a half a book of tickets. You can see how thick this is. There's 50 tickets there. And we're going to scratch them to see if we make our money back or a bit extra. We probably won't make any. We don't know. But I'm going to film scratching just a couple. And then I won't film scratching the rest. But then when we get it all done, I'll let you guys know how we did. Okay, I'm going to start scratching. I'm going to do this one right now. And I'm not going to tape it all. I'll scratch the rest right after, and I'll let you know if I won on my stack. Oops. Now, I got 25 here. My hubby has 25, so he hasn't scratched his yet. So, I'll let you know how we do. I'll just film this one here for now. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, zoom in a bit. There you go. Yes, I'm using scissors. Finds the scratches better. Being quiet there now because a couple people in my house are lying down having a nap. My hubby's lying down for work tonight. I'm off. And my dad's lying down having a nap, so. And so far this card ain't looking very good. One letter, one word. Like, one letter here, one letter down here, somewhere below, instead of a couple. So like I said, not looking good so far. Like I said on the start, this could be a big mistake getting all of these, because I could probably win squat. But hopefully we make enough to get our money back, or even a little extra be nice. So I said, we'll find out, you never know. Like I said, we seen this on TikTok and we just wanted to try it, so we're trying this once. I hope you guys can hear me. I'll always go back over and check this after anyway, because I always end up missing a few letters, so I check it over before I do anything else anyway. And I also have an app on my phone that I can scan the tickets to see if they're winners or not. But like I said, it's more fun to scratch them than it is to scan them just right away. I don't think this card is going to be a winner. It's not getting too many letters. This one was a good letter. Quite a few of those. There you go, another one that's got quite a few letters. Hopefully I get something on this one. There. Cleaned off a bit. Okay, sees one word right across here. 2 words, another one right there. Oh, this letter there. 3 words, one right there. Just another letter. I think that's all there is, 3 words, which is not a winner. You gotta get 4 to even get $2. So I'll let you guys know what I got on my other ones. I'm gonna scratch the rest of them because I said I want to tape all of it. It's too boring. Okay, that's the stack of winners so far. I scratched all mine. My hubby still got like a pile yet to scratch. I shared the pack half and half, so I got all mine scratched. And this is what he got left to scratch. So far, in the winners, we got $72 worth. So like I said, he still got a stack there, so I don't know what's in those, but find out later. Now, I'm going to go check on dinner, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm cooking for dinner today. Okay, guys, that's what I'm cooking. I'm making Hawaiian chicken for dinner. This is the easiest thing in the world to make. All it is green peppers, onion, a little bit of pineapple tidbits. I got some chicken thighs in there. Plus, I also took some chicken breasts and chopped them up in there too. So, and just some peppers. And I put like a little bit of fresh garlic in it too, but you don't have to do that. And 1 bottle of barbecue sauce. It's the easiest thing in the world to make, and it's really good. And now when this is cooked, we're going to make a big pot of white rice, and we takes the chicken and the broth and the vegetables and pours it over top of the white rice and mixes it. It's really, really good. Now I got to put this back in the oven to cook for a little bit more because it's not ready yet. Okay, dinner's all done. This is it here. And I got the rice underneath, so as you can see. And I just takes and stirs it all up, makes a broth with the rice. It's really good. And that's dinner. If you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.